In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar in Notion. If you're new to Notion or just setting up your workspace, this quick walkthrough will help you create a clean, dedicated calendar view you can use for scheduling, planning, or tracking anything by date. First, open Notion. You can use the desktop app or the web version. Both work the same for this task. Give it a moment to load your workspace so the sidebar and page options are visible. If you're working in a team space, make sure you're in the correct workspace so your calendar ends up where you want it. Next, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see your existing pages and spaces there. Click the button labeled "Plus Add a Page." This opens a fresh page setup panel where you can decide what kind of content you want to create. Think of this as the starting point for building a new piece of your workspace. In the setup panel, you'll see several options grouped by type. Under the section labeled Database, choose Calendar. This tells Notion you want a database that organizes items by date, not just a simple text page. A calendar in Notion is more than a visual grid. It's a full database behind the scenes, which means every item you add later can have properties, filters, and views. Selecting Calendar here ensures you get that structure from the start. When you choose Calendar, you'll be asked how you want it placed. Select Calendar, Full Page. Full Page creates a standalone calendar that fills the entire page, giving you a focused, distraction-free view designed specifically for scheduling. This is different from an inline calendar, which sits inside another page. Full Page is ideal when you want your calendar to act like its own hub. Once you select Calendar, Full Page, Notion will generate a new page with a monthly view grid. You'll see empty date squares ready to hold your items. The page will appear in your sidebar automatically, so it's easy to return to any time. You might notice placeholders or default properties in the database. Those are standard and can be adjusted later as your needs become clearer. That's it. Your calendar is now added to Notion. From here, you have a centralized place to visualize dates and plan at a glance. If you ever want to find it quickly, remember it lives in your sidebar as a full page, ready whenever you need to organize your schedule or projects. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your calendar-centered workflow in Notion.